We all know what's happening between TikTok and the US government, and organic dropshippers are switching to Instagram Reels because it's in their best interests. That means that Instagram is now the best place to find new products that other dropshippers are testing and scaling. And if you want proof, here's a sale I got yesterday using a product that I found on Instagram Reels, and that was actually within the first 18 hours of running my interest testing campaign. Yo, I'm editing this video right now and I literally just got another one. The problem with TikTok is that they got entitled. They took advantage of the fact that they were crowned as the most used social media platform in the world. You see, they're a Chinese company and they have a lot of issues when it comes to dealing with US laws. Now, TikTok's parent company ByteDance has been offered numerous times to be acquired by an American company, but of course they don't want to share the data because TikTok's interests are not in the US government's interests, and as a result of that, TikTok's rules have now become super strict and dropshippers are getting shadow banned left and right for no reason, which is why even I stopped running TikTok ads, because they would randomly ban my campaigns in the middle of the night while I'm asleep and I can't do anything about it. And as I said, I found this product while scrolling on my Instagram burner. Anybody who says the burner method is dead is lying. The burner account method is how you learn the characteristics of a good product as a beginner. And it's free. You can easily check whether there's demand for a product by just looking at the engagements, the likes, comments, and shares. And speaking of which, if you reach this far, please drop a like, subscribe, and comment down below if this video is helping you out. Methods like scrolling on AliExpress or using those winning product drops that these gurus give within their courses are only useful by experienced dropshippers who already know how to identify a winning product, how to easily identify the pain points and utilize that to trigger impulse purchases. A good book I would recommend for learning how to identify desire and channel it towards your product is Breakthrough Advertising. Now second, if you run meta ads like I do, why would you do product research on TikTok to come and sell products on Meta? Instagram and Facebook are both Meta. So when you run meta ads, your ads are going to show up on both of these platforms. Now I recommend you to stick with one platform to avoid any confusion. Simply because TikTok and Instagram are two different platforms with completely different consumer bases. So just because people on TikTok love the product doesn't mean people are going to love it on Instagram and Facebook. They are going to resonate differently with the product as with the algorithm. And that's where I used to go wrong. The past 3 products I ran before I got this sale got absolutely no sales because I was doing research on TikTok to come and try it out on Facebook. Just wasn't working out. And the one time I switched and decided to do product research on Instagram, boom, I'm back to getting sales. So take it from me, because I've gone through the time to learn from that mistake, and just stick with Instagram Reels to find your product. So I'm going to show you guys how to set up an Instagram Reels burner account. So first up, you just want to create a normal Instagram account, pretty much the same as TikTok. Search hashtag TikTok made me buy it, everything like that. When you're scrolling, make sure you like only dropshipping Reels specifically. Also comment, because the algorithm will identify that that's the kind of content you resonate with and bring it more. And after around 2 hours of doing this entire process, the burner account should be optimized to bring you only dropshipping videos. And if you can't identify a dropshipping video blatantly, I'm gonna just open up my burner and look, things like this. Pretty simple, where they literally just blatantly show off a product. As you can see, all of these are gonna be dropshipping videos here.
In less than 1 minute, I'll show you how to.
What the hell? Ecom. Simple. And if you guys would like me to drop a video on how I do my product validation to know whether or not I should run a product, because just finding it alone here is not enough, I'll drop that video once this video hits 15 likes. So remember to drop that like, please. That's really it from me. I don't want to take any more of your time. Until next time, stay hard, keep grinding, and believe in yourself. Peace.